Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, tire balancers, and tire mounting machines. Hello, we now wish to introduce you to the DT-10 diagnostic tester by TWIN BUSCH. The DT-10 diagnostic tester is supplied in a handy carrying case. The core component is the mobile diagnostic tablet. The basic equipment comprises the tablet, the Bluetooth-capable communications interface, the main cable, the USB charger cable and various additional connections. First, the main cable is connected to the communications interface. This is followed by the desired adapter, in this case the OBD2, which is standard today for many vehicle types. Once again, here is an overview of all supplied adapters. The communications interface can now be connected to the vehicle. Now we select the connected vehicle. This can also take place automatically with the corresponding vehicle support. The DT-10 supports nearly all known car brands and vehicle types. We start the automatic search. After carrying out the search, we can view the individual error messages and, if desired, delete them. Read code. Delete code. Control the delete procedure. Next error code. Now we will show you how a parking brake is opened to exchange brake shoes. The services submenu, chassis, contains the functions for the parking brake. Note that the menus are manufacturer and type dependent. The diagnostic tester takes you through the procedure with step-by-step instructions. Once the procedure has finished, the actual repair or maintenance on the vehicle can now begin. For the sake of completeness, we will now show you how to place the parking brake back into operation after the repair. As the next step, we will also show you how the maintenance interval is reset. Finally, we come to recording the live data. It can be used to record and evaluate vehicle behavior, including during operation. After recording, you can then examine the data closely. Either in text format or in one of the two graph modes. And if you should be near one of our branches, please pay us a visit. We are looking forward to see you.